Over here by the artillery, got the 1-inch bombs, $7. Yeah, Ultimate Power by Window. Bunch of ball shells in there. Tails and Mines. 12 shells for $24. You got Sniper Fire from Raccoon. You got $41 on that. You got the mini shell kit. From left to right, the mini shell kit is $6. Assorted crackling shells is $10. Assorted artillery shell is $9. American Chief by Brothers is $21. Absolute Power is $14. Down here, got the neon bronze shells. It's $24. And the assorted, I believe those are Raccoon. Yeah, the assorted Nishiki blast shells, $25. Shells over here. We got giant neon 5-inch canister shells. It's $93. And we got the Echoes in the Ear. It's $25. And we got 5-inch magma canisters. Those are $93. 5-inch canisters for the Fight for Independence shells for Raccoon. Those are $95. Black Mamba shells from Fox Fireworks. Those are $84. Got the King Dragon shells from Raccoon. It's $99. Get in there the super loud heavyweight shells. They're 5-inch from Winda. It's $46. There's 12 of them. You got Let Freedom Ring. It's Raccoon Fireworks. It's $85. Neon Skies from Raccoon is $70. Then you get Neon Beef shells. $85. Whole mess of these. Everyone loves Neon Beef. They're great shells. They got a whole mess of them too. So might be actually doing a promotion with them on these shells themselves. So stay tuned for all that. We got Bright Star Fireworks Supernova shells, $75. G-Force, $84. Make my way over here. Illuminati shells from Sun's Fireworks, it's $113. The Holy Nishiki is $88. And then some more giant neons. Back to the giveaway, or I guess it's a giveaway. I want to be running a promotion with Discount Fireworks out here in Necedah, to where if you purchase X amount by a certain point, you could get one of these for free, or on me, if you just show them that you're subscribed to the channel when you go to checkout, and if you spend the X amount. So that'll be coming soon, but I decided to go with a shell that was well renowned for not being terrible, and they have plenty of it, so kind of works out both ways. So if you guys like Neon Beef and you like canister shells, try to get on this one, because they got plenty. So they got them marked for $85, and that's 5-inch shells. That's 24 in there. So if you spend X amount, that's $85 you could be saving. So stay tuned for that, because that's coming quick.